Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a day in the life as a vending machine business owner. You could do it too. This is how much I made in 1 month, and if it motivates you, hit the like and subscribe button. Watch this video till the very end. We had a huge explosion, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss out. Comment below what you want to watch in the next video. Hope you enjoy and get motivated. So once I get to my first location, I fill up my cart and get it ready to take to the vending machines. So this is the first 2 machines. It did really good. As you could see, they were pretty empty. I sold a lot of drinks. I go to refill once a week, every week. At the end of this video, I will count all the money and show you how much we made for the past week and the month. So now I'm going to take out the money from the snack machine. It doesn't do as good as the drink machine, but we'll take it. I had a lot of change. And I usually take this change and I put it back into the soda machine. That way when they put dollar bills or $5 bills, it has change to give them. That was about $35 in quarters. Now it's time to fill and restock the machine. So now it's nice and filled, we're off to the next location. Now this is the money from the soda machine. Yeah, I know I left $1 in there, but I got it back later. And the change. This is the snack machine money. Not $20, but a lot of quarters. So now we're at our 3rd location. This is the machine where this coffee wanted to just explode and make a mess everywhere. It was too small, shouldn't have been there in the first place, so we took it out. The dollar bill reader wasn't working, kept spitting out the money. There we go.
It's being stuck, not the right side. Right side. Every once in a while, the bottom, the very bottom one.
So we ended up taking apart the bill reader, giving it a good cleaning. And here you can see after we cleaned it, worked just fine. Restocked the machine, good to go. On to the next. Snack machine was good, filled. Now this is our 4th and last location. These 2 machines, I couldn't record the process, but filled them up, took the money out. And now here I am counting the money. So I made $297 in cash, made about $278 in credit card machines. So this week about almost close to 600 bucks. All right, so let's take a look at what my machine did in the past 3 weeks before I deposit. So the last 3 weeks plus the current week, altogether we had $2,600. Somebody needed change. That's why you see $100 bills. But this is not all profit. About half is cost, so I made about $1,300 profit. If you guys liked what you see, please comment below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.